In today's video, I'll show you how to send a signature using Dropbox Sign to speed up your document workflow. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you don't already have an account, create one first so you can access Dropbox Sign. Once you're logged in, choose the option to sign documents or open an existing document from your files. Upload the document you want signed or select one that's already available. After the document opens, add the names and email addresses of the people who need to sign it. Make sure these details are correct so the request reaches the right recipients. Next, prepare the document by placing signature fields, date fields, or text fields where needed. Before sending the document, add your own signature. You can type it, draw it, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. When everything is set, click Next to review the email message that will be sent to the signer. Make any adjustments if needed, then send the document for signature. That's it. You've successfully sent a signature request using Dropbox Sign, making it easy to collect signatures quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your document signing process.